see. Oh! Box. Hi! Hey, welcome to my unboxing video again, yay! So recently I have participated in a giveaway hosted by SoundBrenner in conjunction to their anniversary. I've won and the prize is still ready. Just have to tell you first, this is just the first batch of the giveaway items. There is second batch coming soon, so exciting. But first, let me just have a drink first. Let's start! Just gonna try using this. Whoa! By the way, this is shipped from Hong Kong all the way to Malaysia. Yeah. What's first? Oh wow, it's a bag! Wow, quite heavy. Oh. Whoa, this bag is quite big. Oh. Okay, we open one by one lah. So the first batch of giveaway items include Club Bag Backpack, Manuendo Lossless Earplugs, Free Drum T-shirt, Cabli Chord Organizer, and Beat Buddy Drum Machine. Alright, back to the video. Whoa! Okay, let's see. Can you see it? I can't see. Oh, cool. Does it say here? Free drum. Okay, a nice T-shirt. Ooh, what is this? Oh, so this is the cable organizer, as you can see. Okay, I'm just gonna open this first, the cable organizer stuff. Let's see how it works. Okay, there's a manual inside. Yes. Actually, I'm still not too sure how to do it. Okay. Oh, let's try with him. Okay, so after reading the manual again and again, basically just have to hook your cable over there. It might be a bit hard for my cable, but probably a thinner cable would work better. And after it's hooked, just put it on both sides to make sure it's fixed in the position. Then just roll it nicely. It's just that easy, convenient, and fast. Such a cool stuff, right? I like it. Next, what else do we have? Oh, so this is the earplugs. It's a wireless earphones. The fastest. Alright. Done. Wow, how premium it is. Every detail, no loss. Okay, I have to take it out very carefully. Wow. Okay, so it's just the earbud itself. Okay. Perfect fit, perfect sound. Just open. Whoa, there's so many tips here. Wow. Oh, there's a case. A nice, pretty nice case. I think this is for you to clean your ear tip or earbud, something like that. Alright, now let's put in the ear tip for the right side first. It's not easy to put in, which means it will not go off easily. Now for the left side. Alright, done. By the way, this is magnetic too, which I find it cool. Also, this is the sound level adjuster. I think it has to do with the noise isolation amount that you can control. So then let's give it a try. Whoa. It's feeling very... It's like I'm wearing an in-ear monitor. Wait for 2 to 8 seconds to see if the ambient noise level decreases. Oh, it does. Lastly, what's good about these lossless earplugs, it's also the strings that it provides, that you can tie it up as a necklace. You can just carry it or just put on your neck and bring it with you everywhere you go, which is cool. And even to keep the earplugs clean, I like that it has a case that I can put into it, and because the case is just really small, that's why it's very convenient that I can just put in my pocket or small bag, sling bag, and etc. Next, okay, let's check out this bag. So this bag is not easy, yeah? It's quite heavy also. Okay, let's open this part first and see what's inside. Wow. For me, I'll put my laptop for sure and probably some documents. Now we have this part. Whoa! Then you can put another stuff here. Probably keys, cable stuff. Yeah. And you have another zip here. You can put small stuff, tissue or stuff. Alright, so what's interesting about this bag is the velcro inside that you can slightly adjust the compartment. This same goes to the bottom one as well. And this is definitely a cool and nice bag for musicians who tour or travel with a lot of equipment around. Another compartment you can put small stuff also. Then, ooh, yeah, I can put stuff also. Okay, now let's see. Oh, is there one more stuff that I forgot to unbox? Yes, there is. Why not we just unbox this? Since this bag is pretty much about it. Oh, there's another. Oh, it's the same thing. Alright, now let's unbox this Beat Buddy drum machine. The box looks quite nice also. Open and open. Okay, so I think this is the USB cable to connect to the laptop. Okay. Wow. Looks very nice. Honestly, I'm still not too sure what this device can do, but we'll see as I get to explore with it more. Okay, so I believe this is the power adapter. Okay, it requires the universal plug for that. Okay, a quick start guide. A card that directs you to their website to obtain more library of additional songs and additional drum sets. Stickers of Beat Buddy. Looks really nice. And oh, this is for it to be stick this thing on a pedal for probably guitar players. Cool. And of course, an SD card for loading the presets and recording. Nice. Now let's try plug it in and run it. Ooh, this sounds good. This is cool. Okay, so these are all the items that I've unboxed from the first batch of the giveaway that I've received. And once again, I would just like to thank SoundBrenner for letting me win this giveaway contest. I'm really happy to receive them and looking forward to receive the second batch. So just a sneak peek, there will be a part 2 of this unboxing video. So for now, just stay tuned, and if you're still watching this, do click a like for this video and subscribe me and click this bell button so that you get to receive the notifications when I have new videos coming up. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!